Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants are a hot topic in today's world because they are frequently marketed by companies and scammers as the solution to everything, from chronic stress to heart disease. What are antioxidants, however, and what benefits do they bestow upon us? Are they all the same? How do we classify them? And how do we know if they are all if they are at all useful? Well, stay tuned and find out. Antioxidants, as the name suggests, are substances that help stave off oxidative stress, which is the stress our cells have to endure every time an oxidation reaction takes place. Of course, throughout the day in our body, oxidation reduction processes take place every second, and so our body has built-in mechanisms to help eliminate the oxygen peroxide that these reactions produce. This substance, you see, is toxic to our cells and can cause major damage. As such, enzymes such as oxygen peroxidase take this molecule and transform it into something less harmful so it can safely be removed later by the kidneys. This process, however, requires coenzymes such as vitamin C to work effectively. This is where antioxidants in our food come into place. They help replenish these coenzymes so that our body can function normally. Many of these antioxidants that we consume come in the form of flavones and flavonoids. What are those? Well, let's start with flavonoids. Flavonoids are a diverse group of plant compounds found in fruits, vegetables, grains, bark, roots, stems, flowers, tea, and wine. They are responsible for the bright color of many of these plants and have been shown to have various health benefits. Flavonoids are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have suggested that they may help protect against a range of chronic disease such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disease. Some common types of flavonoids include quercetin, hesperidin, catechins, and anthocyanins. Let's look at some of them one by one. First of all, quercetin. Quercetin is the most well-researched of all bioflavonoids. It is not actually that good of a supplement on its own, but it is an interesting research topic. It is a type of flavonoid, a class of plant pigments that are responsible for the bright colors of fruits and vegetables. It is found naturally in plants and in food such as apples, berries, onion, and tea. Quercetin is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and has been studied for its potential benefits, including its ability to lower blood pressure and improve general heart health. Some research has also suggested that this compound may have antiviral properties and could potentially be useful in the treatment of viral infections. Although more studies are needed to confirm these findings, there is a divide between the effects seen in quercetin in vitro studies and in vivo studies. With cell studies, so the in vitro studies, we have greater results that are not that amazing or reproducible in human or animal studies, so in vivo studies. This is mostly due to quercetin having low oral bioavailability, meaning low percentage of this compound is absorbed and put into good use. But it could also be that in vitro studies we use a form of quercetin called quercetin aglycone, whereas this particular form is never found in the blood even after ingesting food that contain quercetin, since it gets metabolized heavily in the liver. In research, what we found as the strongest evidence for quercetin is its ability to raise HDL, which is the quote-unquote good cholesterol, which needs to be high. However, this increase by quercetin is only a tiny bit. So overall, is quercetin healthy? Maybe. Should you go out of your way to take a supplement for it? Well, research says no. Next up, hesperidin. Hesperidin is a substance found in orange peels that provides the body with the flavonoid hesperidin. Hesperidin is responsible for most of hesperidin's health benefits, including a potential improvement in circulation with unclear effects on blood pressure and the potential protective effect on the brain. If we examine the human evidence for hesperidin taken orally, it appears to increase blood flow slightly or modestly in some cases, but it is not clear if it has a significant impact on blood pressure itself. The current body of research isn't particularly encouraging, though it hasn't been looked at in severe hypertension yet. According to the evidence, it is essentially ineffective for lowering cholesterol and triglycerides. Other than the cardiovascular parameters mentioned above, there isn't much human evidence, and it seems pretty weak at improving diabetes-related parameters, with the exception of diabetic retinopathy, where preliminary data suggests that hesperidin is quite protective. So, in conclusion, more research on hesperidin needs to be done for us to claim it, for us to come in a clear conclusion. Next, catechins, which are a type of flavonoid that is mainly found in tea, more specifically in green tea. Catechins are abundant in green tea and are responsible for many of its potential health benefits. Catechins have antioxidant properties and have been studied for quite a long time in studies against cancer, improving heart health, and promoting weight loss. One specific catechin found in green tea, called EGCG, has been studied extensively for these potential health benefits. However, with this extensive amount of research we have on green tea catechins, we can surmise that it is generally beneficial to our health, but it is however not a miracle drug that will cure a patient's cardiovascular problem, nor is it an ultra-powerful nootropic that will help you pass your next exam. It most probably won't hurt you to drink a cup of tea a day, and it might help you relax. So if you wish to, you can add it to your nutrition plan. I certainly have a cup of tea almost every day. Moving on to the last compound for today, anthocyanins, which are again a flavonoid pigment that gives this red or purple or blue color to some of the berries out there. Anthocyanins are water soluble and responsible for the colors of things like red cabbages, eggplants, berries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and red onions. Anthocyanins have also been found to have, like the rest of the flavonoids, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and are still being studied for their potential health benefits. What we've come to as a not so definitive conclusion is that anthocyanins generally protect the heart against cardiovascular problems, and anthocyanins can improve cognitive function and have some minute anti-cancer effects. However, overall, more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits, and as it is certain that anthocyanins don't have that much of backing. In conclusion, the research is simply not there. Are antioxidants good for our health? Probably. Are they all that the salesman claimed them to be? No. The claims are very often over-exaggerated. Should we include in our diet fruits and vegetables that contain antioxidants? Absolutely. Besides the amount of antioxidants, both fruits and vegetables have a number of benefits for us. They include fiber, they include a number of vitamins and minerals. So, as such, we should try to include a salad or two in our lunch or dinner whenever we can. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe for more. Goodbye for now.